A child was born in 1935 to a farming family in a small village called Taktser in northeastern region of Tibet. At the age of 2, the child was recognized as the 14th Dalai Lama, Tenzin Gyatso. His Holiness began his monastic education at the age of 6 and passed his exams with honors at the age of 23 and was awarded the highest doctorate degree in Buddhist philosophy at Chokhang Temple in Lhasa, Tibet. In 1950, at the tender age of 16, His Holiness was called upon to assume full political power to lead his country when China began invasion of Tibet. And in 1959, following the brutal suppression of the Tibetan national uprising in Lhasa by Chinese troops, His Holiness was forced to escape into exile in India. For the last 66 years, His Holiness not only worked tirelessly to help Tibetans preserve their language and culture by building schools and settlements in India, but he also became the messenger of peace, compassion, and nonviolence across the world. In 1989, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his nonviolent struggle for the liberation of Tibet. Today, we gather here to celebrate His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday, and we are recognizing this year as a year of compassion. As Tibetans, let's promise to preserve our language and culture while living in diaspora. And as citizens of this world, let's promise to spread his message of peace and compassion and practice them in our personal daily lives. Happy 90th birthday, Your Holiness.
My friend, if you truly love me, then keep in your mind my 3 commitments. And whatever way, you see, wherever you live, try to create compassionate atmosphere, compassionate atmosphere, compassionate society, then religious harmony. Then, you see, tell more people Tibetan knowledge which come from Nalanda is quite useful. So, whether believer or non-believer, it's worthwhile. These Tibetan knowledge is to keep as a part of academic subject. So if you practice, if you pay more attention, that's best gift for my birthday. Okay.